Alright guys, so what we got in the shop today is customer came in with his Dodge Ram. He's one of our old customers. This is a 2009 to 2019 Dodge Ram. He ended up buying some Chinese headlights from Amazon, which look like Morimoto's from outside. But the thing about these lights is that they are extremely crappy on the inside. And the biggest issue he was having was he could not see anything at night. So we went back to the stock headlights with some LEDs and switchbacks, and everything is fantastic. At least now you'll be able to look good at night. They're going to be bright. And let me show you guys his old headlights. Where are they? Yep, so it was these headlights right here, which you guys can see look fantastic, but at night he couldn't see anything. And if you see these headlights, it's not even a real projector. So guys, stick away from these headlights right here. Buy something, spend the money if you are trying for this look, about $800 to $1,000, and then they actually work great. These cheap ones kind of suck. Otherwise, stick with the stock ones. So let me turn on the headlights to show you guys how they are. Going to be bright at night. He's going to have some fantastic visibility at night, you know, and we ended up doing our ECA switchbacks as well. So looking great, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. You see these guys? These are the fang lights for a Can-Am Maverick. It was a gift for his parents that he did, and he wanted some strobe lights in his light bar in his headlights. So let me show you how it is. Let me shut them off. The fang lights are concerned, they come with a remote too. They're also Bluetooth as well. Let me do the auto. So these are Chaser RGB or white in color. They are available at eastcaraudio.net for the DIY guy for their weekend project. Or you can bring it to our flagship location in Channelview, Texas, and we can install it for you as well. It comes with an RF remote to color change and also has a built-in Bluetooth module. All the wires are threaded. The lights are made of high quality ABS plastic. And yet, guys, if you're looking for something like this crazy setup, come to East Car. Hey guys, they have a brand new console for an 88 to 98 Chevy Silverado GMC Sierra C10, also known as OBS, old body style. So this console fits perfectly fine on your extended cab and your crew cab truck, as long as you don't have a bench seat. It takes a 3¼ inch tweeter and a 6½ inch DS18. Also takes a 12-inch subwoofer in the back. So you guys know about our world famous $599 combo that comes with the sundown subwoofer, the DS18 red tips and tweeters, and the console for $599. You can have that, or you can upgrade to something bigger with a big subwoofer, almost like a 3000 RMS sub like this TV Drive G2. And you've seen plenty of videos online as well on our channel where you get roof shaking bass easily. You can hit about 145 decibels as long as you have a huge sub. If you want to do a sundown, I've done an SA or a U12 as well. This is a ported box. It's tuned to 30 hertz. So if you want to hear some deep notes on your OBS truck, this is the box to get. Console, everything good to go. Comes with the Chevy logo, comes with terminals. Ready to go, guys. It's available at eastcaraudio.net. So go ahead, purchase it today, and we will ship it out to you right away, guys. This is Fez again. East Car Audio. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. This is the truck, guys, the 2500, and it comes with a fancy Tesla style screen from the factory, which is like this, and the bass sounds goddamn fantastic. Guys, we're sitting in a 2023 Dodge Ram 2500, and see how the bass sounds. We just did a 2.8 combo with some DB drives.
see what kind of flavor I want. Do I want vanilla?
And guys, we also did a fancy bass knob right here, so you can have your epicenter and your bass knob regular, guys. If you want to get something like this done with your fancy Tesla style screen in your new Dodge Ram, we do these screens as well. Come to East Car Audio today and we'll get it done. Thank you guys. Bye. Alright guys, so today we got an F-250 coming. That's a 2023. Customer got their subs done here a while back. One of the reasons why I wanted to show you the install is because of the amp rack. This is our longer F-150, F-250 amp rack that looks absolutely freaking amazing. The reason why this longer format works is, first of all, it comes with the screws. You can see it's been over a year since we installed it, and on the other side as well. It actually takes over the hump, and you don't have to cut the insulation to put that in. You saw it's a very clean install. %100% copper install that we did, and this is something we can get it done on you guys as well. And the seat fits perfect. So if you want this amp rack, it's available for $199 here at eastcaraudio.net. So go over there and buy it today, especially if you're trying to do a lot of amplifiers and you have your factory stuff on here as well. Take care guys, bye bye. Alright guys, let me show you what we're doing. This is wheel lights with switchbacks. They're bright white, and we did some white rock lights everywhere with some in the grill as well. So let me put it back together. I'm going to open the door and show you guys how bright this thing is. Absolutely insane. And see, it went all white. They're 6-row, super duper bright, and it can do patterns. So let me turn it off, show you how bright this thing is. And whenever the wheel lights turn on, come on man, doesn't get any better than this. Alright, so it comes with 2 modules. Let's do this right here. Can your vehicle do that? That's a whole trick. Come on guys, if you want to get something like this done, come to East Car Audio and get it done. Thank you guys, have a good one. Installing off-site LED bulbs in a 2015 Chevy Malibu. These bulbs are factory spec replacement with a tiny fan in the back. Super easy to install, so let's see how they work. Let's see the vehicle, how it is. So when the car came in, you can see the driver's side is a lot brighter than the passenger side. So we're gonna do the LEDs and see how they are. Right guys, the job is done. The LEDs are in and they look amazing, and if you can see, these ones, the low beam headlights and the passenger side headlights are the same brightness. The passenger is a bit low, but looks amazing. They're both bright, and we don't have the issues that we had with the stock halogen bulbs. They're both same brightness. So if you want to get something like this, click the link below and buy them today.
Likod la champagne, el polvo es color. Pensar que tú ya no vas a estar.
Alright guys, so you just heard these MB Quartz towers. This is by far the best value in the business. I'm going to give you 2 towers which are going to be black in color, 8-inch. You can also put in your own speakers. Come with white and silver grills if you want, and comes with a built-in Bluetooth module that has 160 watts of power, so no amplifier required, and comes with 1,000,000 clamps to put on whatever place you want to put on, which have flat screws, round, and everything. These clamps are metal. It is fancy. It's not going anywhere. Super tight. And I'm gonna give you some marine speaker wire and some zip ties. You can have music in your side-by-side today. Extremely DIY friendly, guys.
Compton, the industry can hate me. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified monkey man, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walking down whole time.
Alright guys, what we got in the shop today is customer came in with their cat eye truck. It was a miss, and he did have a stunt wall and a box. The wiring was all over the place, so Angel did his magic, and that's how it looks now. So he did have the board back here, but now you can see we ended up doing an amp rack right here, and we ended up doing Sylvester SE8s with color changing rings on the entire stunt wall. Amp rack looks beautiful, wiring gauge loom is everywhere, and this is the wire for his subwoofer box. It's a Sundown X12, gonna go in that box right there. The highs are gonna be fantastic, guys. You can see how fantastic they look. Nemesis 8000, JP284, and the entire stunt wall, guys. We just did a bass amp install. This is our $400 combo on the truck. Let me show you how it is, and then I'm gonna show you how it sounds. This thing's absolutely goddamn fantastic. You can see over here, came with an Orion amplifier, which is this one right here, 1600 watt amplifier, 1 ohm stable. Let's go and do a sound test. This thing comes with a bass knob as well. Guys, come get it today here at D-Star Audio. Hey guys, so what we got in the shop today is we got like a brand new Tahoe with some side step bars. These are made by Rough Country. Ended up doing the install. Funny thing is, they're just like the Weston side step bars that we do. They look absolutely fantastic. They come with 2 different motors, and if you see at the bottom, these lights are actually separate, and they come with a magnet on the inside of the door. I'm gonna give you guys the look from the lights. They look absolutely fantastic. They're new, and if you do like a weight test right here, if you want to do something like this on your vehicle, just let us know and we can get it done for you, guys. Looks fantastic. Brand new Tahoe ZR71.